This is the 9X Pro by Honor, and the variant which I have received comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It is TUV Reland certified and some other declarations are there, so let's just quickly open the box. Here's the device which comes with beautiful X patterns on its back. Here are some IMEI stickers, a SIM ejector tool, transparent silicone case, quick start guide, power brick which is standard 10 watts output power brick, and a type C cable. So guys, these are the inbox content of Honor 9X Pro, and now let me just remove rest of the contents to a side, and let's see how the device is. And guys, a unique thing with this device is this, that the fingerprint scanner is present along with the power button. So let's quickly put this up. And till the time I set it up, let me give you its physical overview. On the front we have 6.59 inches Full HD Plus display and in-call speaker on the top. On the bottom we have 3.5 mm audio jack, primary microphone, charging slot and speaker grill. On the left we have nothing. On the top we have space for motorized pop-up selfie camera, SIM tray and secondary microphone. On the right we have volume rockers and power button with fingerprint scanner embedded in it. On the back we have Honor X series exclusive X pattern which looks great. Triple camera setup of 48 megapixel primary lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor with a single LED flash and Honor logo. The Honor 9X Pro runs on EMUI 9.1 based on Android Pie, and it comes with a new processor which is Kirin 810, and for the battery part it is powered by a 4000 mAh cell. I tested its fingerprint scanner and it works flawless, and yes, it is really very fast. If we talk about its camera, so the details in its image and the color production is great, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook where I have uploaded many good photos clicked by it. It don't just have normal 2x and ultra wide photo option, but also comes with 48 megapixel AI ultra clarity mode which can produce a high quality image. Have a look. And here's a fancy motorized pop-up selfie camera of 16 megapixel which captures really good images. So guys, this was the unboxing and quick review of Honor 9X Pro. I'll be posting many more videos related to Honor 9X Pro very soon. And guys, if you like my work, so hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care.